What's the longest you've ever waited for something to arrive? Whether it's a pizza, a package from Amazon, or a cryptocurrency transfer, the anticipation can be a real killer. Today, we're going to dive into a question that's been on the minds of many crypto enthusiasts. How long does it typically take to send cryptocurrency to Wealthsimple? Understanding the factors. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand a few factors that can influence the transfer time. Cryptocurrency network. Each cryptocurrency network, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, has its own transaction speed. Some networks are known for their lightning-fast transactions, while others are slower but more secure. Network congestion. When there's a lot of activity on a cryptocurrency network, it can take longer for transactions to be confirmed. Think of it like a busy highway. Wealthsimple's processing time. Once the cryptocurrency reaches Wealthsimple's network, they need to process the transaction and credit your account. This process can vary depending on their workload and system efficiency. Typical transfer times. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. How long can you expect to wait? Faster networks. For cryptocurrencies with faster networks like Solana or Avalanche, you might see your funds arrive within a few minutes or even seconds. It's like receiving a text message. Slower networks, Bitcoin, being the OG cryptocurrency, can take longer. Depending on network congestion, it might take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. Imagine waiting for a snail to cross the street. Wealthsimple's processing. Once the cryptocurrency reaches Wealthsimple, they typically process transactions within a reasonable time frame. However, there might be occasional delays due to technical issues or high volume. Tips for faster transfers. If you're eager to see your funds in your Wealthsimple account as soon as possible, here are a few tips. Choose a faster network. Opt for cryptocurrencies known for their speed, like Solana or Avalanche. Avoid peak times. Try to avoid sending transactions during peak hours when the network is most congested. Check network status. Keep an eye on the status of the cryptocurrency network you're using. There are websites and tools that provide real-time information. Verify your Wealthsimple account. Ensure that your Wealthsimple account is fully verified and ready to receive funds. This can help streamline the process. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea, let's share some real-world examples. User A sent Bitcoin to Wealthsimple during a period of low network congestion. The transaction was confirmed within a few hours. User B sent Ethereum during a time of high network activity. The transaction took over a day to be confirmed. User C sent Solana to Wealthsimple. The funds arrived within a few minutes. Conclusion. As you can see, the transfer time to Wealthsimple can vary significantly depending on several factors. While faster networks and less congestion can expedite the process, there might be occasional delays. The best approach is to be patient and check the status of your transaction regularly. Call to action. If you're considering using Wealthsimple for your cryptocurrency investments, make sure to research the specific cryptocurrency network you plan to use and understand the potential transfer times. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.